In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. By default, the color of your Word background is white. In order to change this, click Design, then select Page Color. From here, we've got Theme Colors, Standard Colors, More Colors, and Fill Effects. For this scenario, I'm going to click on Green. If you're looking to print this document or export it as a PDF, we've got to enable an option. Click File, then select Options, then click Display, and we've got to make sure it says Print Background Colors and Images, then click OK. If you're looking for something a bit more interesting, like an image to be your background, then I've already done a video on this. The link's in the description below. Check it out. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to customize the backgrounds in your Word document, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.